What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play This Is What a Toxic Relationship Feels Like by Clinton Kane. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is very simple. You're starting out in standard tuning, you're only using 4 chords. Most major chord diagrams will be in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, so if you need to check out some of the major chord diagrams, jump in the description, there's a link down there, grab your free ebook. The first chord that you're using here is going to be your index finger on your 7th fret on your A string, and then your pinky finger on your 8th fret on your B string. And what you're going to do here is you're going to kind of use your index finger to lay on your D string slightly to mute it, and then your G string will be open. So you're technically playing all 4 of those strings, but the D string is muted, your G string is open, as well as your A and your B string. Now you're playing that, you're going to be using these same strings and that same idea throughout the rest of the chords. So that's your first chord. Then you're moving down to your index finger on your 5th fret on your A string and your pinky finger on your 7th fret on your B string. Same way, your index finger is going to mute that D string and your G string will still be open. Your next chord is going to be your index finger on your A string on your 2nd fret and your pinky finger on your B string on your 3rd fret. Same way, mute that D string, leave your G string open. And then your final chord is you're going to just keep your pinky finger where it is, add your middle finger on the 3rd fret of your A string. Same way, mute the D string, leave your G string open. So he plays through this song a little bit differently. Like, it's a live song. He doesn't really have like a recorded studio version for it yet. The easiest way to kind of play through this, the way that I saw that he does it most through the video, it's a very simple strumming pattern. You're strumming each chord once, and then you're kind of just laying your hand on there to, taking your fingers off slightly to just mute all the strings, and you're giving it a down, up, down, up. So a down, mute, down, up, down, up. And it's the same way through all the chords. Down, up, 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 down, up. Now once you get that pattern down, you can kind of give it your own flair. Like I said, there's no set in stone concrete way that he kind of strums through the song. He does a little bit differently throughout the entire song. So once you get that strumming pattern down, you can kind of play around with it, add your own little flair to it. You can kind of do whatever you want with it. As long as you're playing those chords, you will be able to play through the song. You'll be able to play along to it. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, Intermediate or Advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.